This is the step-by-step tutorial of Petit Bizoo's favorite stay-home art kits, including the Let's Go Fly Kite Painting. In this kit, you'll receive a postcard with step-by-step instructions, along with paints, a paintbrush, moss and other accessories, kite cutouts, and string, along with a canvas. To begin, draw and color all your kites with different designs using markers. Once you are happy with all your designs, set them aside and take out your canvas. Begin by painting your sky and your background. You can do an ombre effect by mixing blue with white. Try to combine different shades and blend it to make it look as natural as possible, but don't forget to wash and dry your brush when changing colors to avoid unwanted mixing. Then begin to paint your grass and your mountains. Once you've added all the details, take a paper towel, scrunch it up and dip it in the white paint. Blot it onto the canvas to create a cloud effect. Using glue, add the moss, flowers, and other accessories to your canvas to give it a three-dimensional effect. Next, glue on your kites to the sky and attach the strings to the bottom of them. Allow everything to fully dry and your canvas is now complete. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram for more creative art ideas.